And then you would do your inners, which is x, plus x. And then you would do your outers. Oh yeah, that's not called outers, that's called whatever that's called. But anyway, you use your last because it's called FOIL, L for last. Plus 6 over x squared plus 6x equals, you would multiply this by x over x, and you would get 13x over x squared plus 6x. Now, this is pretty long, so let's simplify it and move all this down here, which would get x over x squared plus 6x plus x squared, 6x plus x equals 7x plus 6 all over x squared plus 6x. And that would equal 13x over x squared plus 6x. Alright, so we can add these two values like the equation says. I'm just going to move over here for some more room. Color the arrows as always. X squared plus 8x, because x plus 7x equals 8x, plus 6 over x squared plus 6x equal 13x over x squared plus 6x. So, since these two have like denominators, we can subtract 13x over x squared plus 6x from both sides. And then you would get x squared, 8 minus 13, x equals negative 5x plus 6 all over x squared plus 6x equaling 0. That's a 0, but let's make a smiley face. Anyway, so we can factor and we'd get x minus 3 times x minus 2, because if we take this, factors of 6, positive 6, that equal negative 5, negative 3 times negative 2 equals 6, and negative 3x and minus negative 2x, no, plus negative 2x equals negative 5x, over, if we simplify this, x times, and then we could take an x out of these two because they both have an x, so x plus 6 equaling 0. So the numbers that we would put in would have to equal 0. So 3 would be, if we put 3 in, that would be 3 minus 3 equals 0 times x minus 2, which equals 0, over 3 times 3 plus 6, which would be equal, well, anything times 0 equals 0 over something at the denominator. So we'd say 3 and 2. So 3 and 2 are answers. Positive 3 and 2. So let's put it back into the original equation. I'm going to cut on over here. Well, look at our original equation. 1 over x plus 6. I'll just rewrite it. 1 over x plus 6 plus x plus 1 over x equals 13 over x plus 6. We need to get bigger boards. So 1 over x would have to equal, yeah, let's erase this arrow. Because we already know we did that stuff. So 3 plus 6 plus 3 plus 1 over 3 equals 13 over 3 plus 6. So 1 over 9 plus 4 over 3 equals 13 over 9. And then 1 over 9 we simplify, which means we multiply factor 3 over 3 gets us 12 over 9 equals 13 nines. And that's true. So if we restart this process and add our second value to x could go in 2, and then x plus 1, that would be 2 plus 1 over 2 equals 2 plus 6. 1 over 8 plus 3 over 2 has to equal 13 over 8. So we get 8 and we multiply 4 over 4. 1 over 8 plus 12 over 8 equals 13 over 8. So x equals 3 or 2.